Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum of a triangle. The triangle is one of the most important plane shapes in geometry. As we know, it has three sides and three angles. In this video we will discover that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Here we have a triangle with a pink angle, a green angle and a blue angle. Just pretend we take a scissors and we cut each of those angles. So cut along the dotted line. So we cut out each of those three angles. So cut out each angle along each dotted line, place them side by side and notice that they form a straight line or a straight angle. We saw in a previous video that a straight angle forms an angle of 180 degrees. So when we place those angles side by side, we can see that they form a straight angle, which is actually 180 degrees. In later years, we will use more sophisticated methods to show that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Let's do some simple examples using this rule. Example 1, find M. So here we have a triangle where that's M, we have 55 degrees and 30 degrees. So if we add those three together, we have M plus 55 degrees plus 30 degrees equals 180 degrees. M plus 85 degrees equals 180 degrees, so M is 95 degrees. Here we have to find W, where this angle is 120 and that angle is 34. So W plus 120 degrees plus 34 degrees equals 180 degrees. W plus 154 degrees equals 180 degrees, so W equals 26 degrees. And example 3, which is just a little bit more involved, we have to find K. We're finding K here. So if we look at that straight line there, that straight angle, we see that that's 124, which means we can work this one out, because we know that a straight angle is 180 degrees. So to work out angle ACB, which is this one, that's 180 degrees minus 124 degrees. And that gives us 56 degrees. So that's 56 degrees there. So then K plus 77 degrees plus 56 degrees equals 180. So if we add those two together, we get K plus 133 degrees is 180 degrees, so K is 47 degrees. So this video has introduced a very important rule for a triangle, and that is that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and once we know that, we can solve simple problems involving the angles of a triangle.